ano kayang bibilin ko? Saan kaya tayo kakain? Ano kayang pwedeng i-check out? Wala namang masama sa pag-e-enjoy ng bunga ng pinaghirapan natin. Pero what if I told you na every peso you receive already has an assignment? Hindi lang siya dumating para gastusin. Dumating siya with a purpose. Recently, na-realize ko na one of the biggest reason why many people struggle financially isn't because they don't earn enough. Instead, they wonder where it went. Think about it. Kapag pumasok yung sweldo mo or yung kita mo sa negosyo, may plano ka na ba agad bawat piso? O bahala na kung saan mapunta? Kunwari may dumating kang extra na 5,000. Karamihan ng tao iisipin, ano kayang bibilin ko? Pero what if itanong mo, ano kayang assignment nitong 5,000 pesos? Pwedeng for emergency fund, pwedeng pambayad ng utang, or pwede namang idagdag mo pang negosyo mo para mas lumago. Or pwede din namang ipamigay mo. Oo, yung small part pwede mong i-enjoy. Pero alam mo, kapag bawat piso may assignment, mas nagiging intentional tayo. Hindi na tayo impulsive, hindi na tayo nakokontrol ng emotions. Tayo yung kumokontrol sa pera natin. Yung wise people daw, they don't consume everything they receive. They save, they prepare, they think about tomorrow. Because they know that money isn't just for today. It's also a preparation for what God has planned ahead. At bilang entrepreneur, ito rin yung natutunan ko. Every time may pumapasok na sales sa business, hindi ibig sabihin na extra money agad siya. May assignment yung perang yon. Pwedeng pambayad ng supplier, pambayad sa employees, sa rent, or pang reinvest sa negosyo. At kung ano yung matitira doon pa lang natin makikita or malalaman yung profit. Kasi kapag ginastos mo lahat yung pera na pumapasok, bago mo pa alamin yung assignment ng bawat piso, doon nagsisimula yung financial stress. Kaya naman, sa susunod na maka-receive ka ng extra money, huwag mo itanong kung ano yung gusto mong bilhin. Instead, ask Lord if anong assignment ng pera na yon. Because money without purpose disappears. But money with a purpose has the potential to grow, to bless others, and to build a better future. Remember, every peso is a resource, and every resource is a responsibility, and every responsibility is an opportunity to honor God. Kung na-encourage ka ng video na to, share it with someone na gusto ding maging wiser with their finances. Until next time, God bless.